我真的不想缝针，如果可以的话。然后我朋友说他的眼睛缝了10多针，做了大概8个小时的手术。也许我因为我感到血了嘛。
I felt blood coming down.
我想可能我要完了，我要挂了。
Vers 17h50, le 7 septembre 2025, le standard de la police reçoit un appel de détresse particulièrement paniqué. Au bout du fil, une femme d'origine chinoise affirme qu'elle vient d'être agressée.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
I'm serious. Come on, please. Hurry up.
Okay, what happened?
It's somebody hit me.
What did they hit you with? What did they hit you with?
Quelques minutes plus tard, plusieurs personnes présentes à proximité du lieu des faits s'avancent spontanément vers les agents pour leur raconter ce qu'elles ont vu.
Yeah, it's actually at the massage place across the parking lot from us. I don't have their address, but this guy just assaulted the staff working there, and he just ran out. He's at the Wells Fargo right now, and they're like bleeding. He just tackled this woman in the parking lot.
When you say knocked out, is she currently unconscious?
Yeah, she's unconscious. She's like covered in blood. The other staff is with her, and she's also covered in blood.
Okay. Where's the suspect right now?
I just saw him walking to the Wells Fargo parking lot across the highway from us. I don't see where he went, though.
À l'arrivée des forces de l'ordre, la scène est saisissante. 2 employées d'un salon de massage, toutes 2 d'origine chinoise, gisent au sol. Celle vêtue de noir est grièvement blessée et déjà inconsciente.
I'm on scene at the spa. Can we get an expedited response? Female unconscious, lots of blood, 2 females unconscious. We're 2 working on it. So far, no suspect on scene.
Vers 5h39 le même jour, l'homme apparaît devant la porte du salon de massage. Il frappe légèrement, puis entre. Dès que la porte se referme derrière lui, il se rue brutalement sur les personnes présentes. Il ne s'arrête pas là. Il saisit l'une des employées et la tire de force vers une salle de massage. À l'intérieur, un client masculin et une autre technicienne sont encore en train d'utiliser le service. Pris de panique, le client s'enfuit immédiatement, sans même enfiler ses chaussures ni récupérer sa veste, simplement pour sauver sa peau. À ce moment-là, l'homme se tourne vers la deuxième technicienne, celle qui vient tout juste de sortir, et tente de l'attaquer à son tour. Terrifiée, elle court droit vers la sortie pour fuir, mais l'agresseur se lance derrière elle, la rattrape et la tire violemment en arrière. Au milieu du chaos, l'une des 2 techniciennes parvient à traverser la rue pour demander de l'aide et alerter la police. Comprenant que son attaque va être révélée, l'homme prend la fuite. Les agents arrivés peu après se déploient rapidement dans les environs pour tenter de retrouver sa trace.
Did you see a guy? Hey, did you see a guy run?
601, I have the subject here. He's at the west side of Walgreens, walking by the black truck.
That's the suspect right there. Degree blanket.
Hey, you move away! Move away! Get on the ground right now!
Hey, you!
No, there's a kid in there! There's a kid in there! Get inside the car! Get inside your car right now! Lock it!
You guys make the approach.
Yep. Okay. I knew. You got taser?
Okay.
Keep your hands to the side on the ground! Alright, ready? Yep. Limping. We're coming up! I'm gonna get near side, get far side. No, get it. Bend the knee. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Where's your car? Car's right there.
Personne n'en revient. Lors de son interpellation, l'homme déclare froidement aux policiers, comme s'il parlait d'un simple exercice raté: « Je ne pensais pas que tuer quelqu'un serait aussi difficile. On dirait que j'ai perdu la main. »
He said, they're lucky I didn't have my knife, or I would have killed them. We're bringing medics here to check out your finger. You got a cut on your finger. It's bleeding pretty bad.
I got a messed up shoulder. Appreciate patience there.
All right.
If you take a long way, I'm not in a hurry. I'm never gonna see this stuff for a while.
Okay, and there's two comments that he made. If you can let Sarge know, he said they're lucky I did not have my knife. I would have killed him. Okay, and then he also made a second one to go along with that, and he said, I have a Leatherman, and if I remembered I had it, I would have used it.
Dès que le suspect est démaîtrisé, les enquêteurs procèdent à l'examen minutieux de la scène et collectent tous les indices liés à l'agression.
Harvey, anybody in here make yourself known? Lots of blood in there. Yeah. Through. Yeah. Hey, can you stay? You guys stay out for a minute? Yeah.
Yeah. So he want to let me show him the people what kind of thing he.
Oh yeah. Is it that cane that's there?
This left one.
We just want to know what she was hit with.
It's like a cane, a wooden stick.
What happened?
They were assaulted inside. We can't have you go inside in that crime scene anymore. So if you could just stay out here, we have to treat it as a crime scene. They got
Yeah, nobody is coming in here right now, okay?
L'enquête permet ensuite d'éclaircir le mobile. L'homme était en réalité un habitué du salon, généralement satisfait du service au point de laisser régulièrement des pourboires. Mais le jour des faits, lorsqu'il téléphone pour prendre rendez-vous, on lui indique que le planning est complet et que la technicienne qu'il souhaitait voir n'est pas de service. Frustré par cette réponse, il se rend immédiatement sur place et déclenche l'agression. Les deux victimes sont transportées en urgence à l'hôpital. Sur place, la police réussit à recueillir le premier témoignage de la technicienne d'origine chinoise, encore suffisamment consciente pour parler.
Yeah, 他去的医院也很棒。It must be hard to see her like this. She feel regret. Like no, don't blame yourself. It's not
Don't
your
blame
fault.
yourself.
You're the victim.
Yeah.
You're not your friend. It's like crazy suspect.
La femme vêtue de bleu, également propriétaire du salon, est la plus gravement blessée. La jeune femme en noir n'est pas une employée, c'est l'amie proche de la propriétaire venue donner un coup de main parce que le salon était très fréquenté ce jour-là. Personne n'aurait imaginé que ce geste de gentillesse la transformerait en victime, laissant la propriétaire rongée par la culpabilité.
Yeah, he should be blamed.
Remember,
he's at the jail, which is where he
should be in jail a little bit. Yeah,
我真的不想缝针，如果可以的话。
Okay, she prefer not get stitches if possible.
So, unfortunately, you do need stitches on your head. Well, actually, staples on the head part. It's too big.
你需要缝针，因为这个伤口太大了。
多大呀？
How big?
That one needs stitches. It's about that big and it's about that deep.
Une fois la femme sortie de l'hôpital, les enquêteurs reviennent l'entendre. Avec l'aide d'un interprète, ils recueillent un récit beaucoup plus complet et détaillé.
有一个客人在门口。
Okay, there's a male customer at the door. So hey, the male said, hey, I've been here before.
然后我想做按摩。
I want to get a massage.
然后我说我看了一下表。我
I
说
checked the schedule.
我们没有时间，
We
很
don't
抱
have
歉
time，today.
我就跟他
Sorry.
摆手。
Yeah, I think he attempted to open the door.
然后他就冲进来了。
Okay, barged in.
Okay, so he pushed you through that
他
room door.
用那个包抡我打我。
Okay, he was hitting me with his backpack.
这个
As
是
I retreated into the room, the customer was getting a massage with his face down. So I walked around the bed.
Yeah, 我的朋友是在这儿。
My friend was here
做按摩了。
doing massage.
这个是门。
That's
我
the
进来以后
door.
我就绕到这儿来了。
I went inside and went around the bed.
Okay.
Yeah.
然后他呢进来，他离得我朋友最近。
So he got in and he was
他进来就
close to my
一拳
friend.
打我朋友，你知道
So
吗？
he punched my friend. I wish that customer had got up and helped us. He was strong.
What did he use to hit her?
I think 是拳头。
Fist.
Punch. Okay, so he punched your
而
friend.
且我的朋友是戴眼镜的，我估计我今天早上
And
跟
my
我朋
friend
友
was
说，
wearing glasses.
对，然后我朋友说他的眼睛缝了10多针。
Okay. She's got a dozen of stitches around her eyes.
Okay.
做了大概8个小时的手术。
Okay. My friend had a shoulder surgery. Lasted about 8 hours.
Okay.
For some sort of fracture or tearing.
Okay.
He was here on August 27th. So he was looking for the previous masseuse to serve him today. Unfortunately, she's not working today.
What do you mean you wouldn't let him? What did you do?
那我得做点什么呀？因为
I had to do something.
我朋友是来帮我的，就
My
帮我那
friend
一
is
天
here，to
那
help me just for a day.
我不能让他受伤。
I don't want
而且
her
那
to
是
get
我
hurt.
的店，
It's my shop.
我有这个责任，
It's my
所以
responsibility.
Okay, so after you tried to hit him with the clothes rack, you missed, he grabbed it.
Yes.
And then he kicked over the bed.
他没有，他把这床啊，对他把床踢倒了，他没有过来，
Okay, he kicked over the bed, but he didn't.
因为
go
他那个
over.
够长了
Yeah,
打
he
我
was that because the metal rod was long enough for him to hit her.
Okay, so he just kicked over the bed,
Yeah.
and it stayed on the side.
Yeah.
He still had the long metal the rack at this point.
我想是第一下他是有那个长的，
Okay.
这不怼到这儿这个圆的吗？
She believes maybe the first strike was like a poke to her
Okay,
neck. Yeah,
with
that's
the long version.
Yeah.
Okay.
然后
Okay,
我朋友
my friend over there.
我说姐你快跑，然后我朋友就跑出
She
去
said, "Sister, you run now."
Okay, gotcha. So the suspect used the rack, and poked you in the neck. What happened from there?
我就
It
蹲下
affected
了，
my airway, so
我就蹲下
I
了。
felt dizzy, so I crouched down.
也许我因为我感到血了嘛，
I felt blood coming down.
我想可能我要完了，我要挂了。
Maybe I'm done. I might die.
L'enquête révèle ensuite que Colin, 48 ans, est poursuivi pour 2 chefs de tentative de meurtre au second degré, 2 chefs de séquestration et un chef de cambriolage. Son casier judiciaire mentionne plus de 30 condamnations antérieures. Cette fois, le juge fixe une caution d'1 million de dollars. Les 2 femmes, grièvement blessées, survivent grâce à une prise en charge hospitalière rapide. Lorsque l'affaire est rendue publique, les réactions s'enflamment immédiatement. Un homme avec plus de 30 antécédents, encore libre dans les rues, c'est la preuve d'une faillite totale du système judiciaire américain. Ces 2 femmes ont fait preuve d'un courage remarquable. Sans leur fuite pour chercher de l'aide, l'issue aurait pu être dramatique. Le client présent aurait peut-être pu intervenir, mais personne n'a l'obligation de risquer sa vie dans une scène d'une telle violence. C'est compréhensible.
You had called 911. Tell me, how did we get to this point?
So I was getting a massage, and I did the intake form and all that, and was getting a massage, and I just heard all this like yelling in the front, and then I was under a sheet, and the masseuse was giving my massage, and all of a sudden like I was hearing this commotion, and then we there started to be like, she looked out the door and I just got off the table and I just put on my shorts right, and then this guy came in the door who was like trying to grab the person that was grabbing like the owner, like the and then was kind of like, I couldn't tell what he had in his hand. It was like almost like it wasn't something hard. I was like it was like this like sofa cushion or something in my head. It was like, yeah, it's weird, but I couldn't tell if he had a patch or something like that.
So something in his hand he had.
Something had, yeah, and he went in, he grabbed something. He was trying to grab my wallet or he grabbed my phone for a moment.
Okay.
So, but, and then I said, hey, just give me my phone back. I'm not trying to be a hero.
Right.
So I was also like, you know.
You're not even fully at this point, right?
So I said, I'm not going to be a hero. But I was like, so then I got my phone and just put on my shorts and got out the door. It's in my car, and then I just pulled over as soon as possible and called the cops.
Okay.
Enfin, un commentaire retient particulièrement l'attention. L'interprète mandarin de la police a été exceptionnel. Une traduction précise, rapide, presque simultanée, et en plus, il trouvait le moyen de rassurer la victime. Franchement, impressionnant. Que pensez-vous de cet événement? Avez-vous déjà vu un cas similaire? Discutons-en ensemble dans les commentaires, juste en dessous. Merci d'avoir regardé notre vidéo YouTube. Pense que la vidéo qui s'affiche à l'écran va vous plaire. Cliquez dessus pour la découvrir.